primetime news this evening, ECJ given a May 31 deadline to review and provide recommendations on the controversial Counties and Parishes Amendment Act. MP cries foul, claiming Portmore Road's not getting attention on the Spark program. And we continue to explore issues of vote buying.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. In the business news today, Jamaica's banking sector facing unprecedented levels of cyber threats.
And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, a West Indies legend has weighed in on who he thinks should be the new captain of the West Indies Test team. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Strong winds are still the focus for much of the area for the remainder of this week. We do have 25-knot winds gusting to some 30 knots across sections of offshore areas.
There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what would you do if you were offered money to vote?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.